I'm gonna introduce you Yakiniku Sauce. This is the steak sauce. My collection here from Williams Sonoma. So I'm gonna show you this steak today. Okay, so salt and then pepper. So sear every single, side. And then I'm gonna add lots of butter. My collection sauce is not just steaks. You can use the fish, vegetables, shrimp, scallop, rice, and noodle. Any type of the food you like. So sushi chef doing some French technique, I think. Okay, now it's ready. I'm slicing. Oh, very nice. Spring onion here. 2 types of the colored pepper. Mushroom here. And then I cannot forget. This is the steak sauce, Yakiniku sauce. So this is made from soy sauce, sugar, mirin, sake, and a little bit apple. Apple makes meat softer, tender, juicier. Okay, steak is ready. Enjoy. Thank you.